thunderstorm warning for western Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Wautoma to near Portage, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waupun, Ripon, Berlin, Hardyville, Randolph, Markesan, Princeton, Rosendale, Green Lake, Brandon, Cambria, Fox Lake, Alto, Manchester, Waukeena, Fairwater, Friesland, Kingston, Marquette, and Atwater. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant and Puckaway Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.